Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack rare and zip archives on Xiaomi Redmi 10A. So first of all, you'll need to get the rare app. We've shown you how to download it in our other video. Now let's open it. From here we need to find the files that we want to unpack. Click on it, then click on the arrow pointing up button. Here you can change any extraction options, but I'm just gonna change the designation. So let's click on the browse and pick the folder where the files will be unpacked. And in this case, it's gonna be movies folder. Now when it's ready, click on OK, and your files will be unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.